It's your boy GT. Yo, I'm sorry, you guys. I'm super sorry. I'm taking too long getting these videos out, man. It's super early in the morning right now. It's May 25th. So at the beginning of the month, I was getting ready for import face-off, and I got those louvers, and I was already supposed to get that video out at that time. I didn't even start filming until a week later, and I got those louvers, and I was waiting for so long to put those louvers on, man. But anyways, I know you guys are super waiting on this video and asking me about visibility and stuff. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna get into this thing. I'm gonna try to post it today or tomorrow. This is getting really hard these days because I'm trying to pretty much get a lot of work done and getting kind of expensive affording this beautiful place here. Anyways, once again, you guys, I'm super sorry. I'm gonna try my best to get these videos out a lot quicker. All right, y'all. What's going on, you guys? It's me, GT Charlie, man. Pretty much I'm gonna show you guys the new louvers that I got, man. These are amazing. I have no idea who made them. I have no idea who created them. I have no idea who designed them, but I gotta say, these are some of the dopest louvers I've ever seen in my life. This dude was getting trash talked on 86 FRS BRZ enthusiast or something, and you know what, I was like, man, when I saw that car, I was like, man, that thing looks beautiful. So I had to go find it for myself. So I went on Google and I went through so many images, and I finally found it on the last place that I expected it at, eBay. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna do a couple shots on the inside, shots on the outside, and higher shots just so you guys can see how it looks. And if anybody knows the names of these louvers or who created them or whatever, or where it started from, I really want to know that. So without further ado, man, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Talk to you soon.
You're trying to catch my eye, but I ain't looking out for love. You're trying to work my while, but I'm a loser for you, just can't touch. I've been hurt, I wondered why. So now I'm looking after mine. I don't know what you came to find, but oh, you'll have to wait a while, because it's too soon. I can't forget the times, can't forget. And you're too new. Can't let you come inside or stay the night. And you think that I'm teasing, but I ain't got no reason. It's too soon for me to give my love to. Not like those other guys, but I don't wanna move too fast.
Well, guys, looks like I got kicked out of that spot, but that's all good, man. I'll be nice. Visibility on this one seems a little bit better than the last one, but they were both pretty bad. You guys are asking where I got them from. Got them on eBay. Installation is pretty much the same as the last ones. I do advise this though, when I'm working on decals and I send people decals and they're about to install them or whatever, they just put on like a coat of like waxy stuff on their windows. Check this out first. Like, you want to put your fingers on your window and just kind of go like this, and if it feels like it's like dragging and kind of like really hard to like slide your fingers on, then that's pretty good. Like, just make sure you wipe it with microfiber towel and water, and then put on adhesion promoter just to kind of help the stickiness. People are trying to put this tape on top of a waxy layer. I mean, what do you expect? Like, of course it's gonna slide right off because there's like a wax layer between your window and the tape that you're putting on. So I advise you guys, if you're gonna install stuff like stickers or you're gonna put on like louvers, make sure that there's no waxy layer behind. Just get in there real good with water and microfiber and it's good. I hope this inspires you guys to get your own louvers. If it makes you feel otherwise, that's cool too. I'm glad that I helped. I'll talk to you later, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and then like again, and then like a different video. You know how to do this, man. GT Charlie out, man. Thank you so much for watching my videos, you guys. That crew and company thing that I'm releasing, it's coming out really soon here. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see hoodies, shirts, whatever, let me know, and I'm gonna bring it to the table. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Talk to you later. Peace.